Right, what I'll play with is this. Look, all AMP. This is all the render blocking JS's causing us these problems when it drops down to this. So I have just done a snapshot, so without further ado, and being it's 11:09 at night and I'm now on the Stellar R2, this is playing time, so that's why the last thing I did was a backup. So if I cock all this up, it doesn't really matter. I've got a feeling we're going to have to sudo chmod in a moment, so we can go and have a look in here. Let's see what we've got first. WP content. And what now? What? Quick connect or is it to this? Doesn't tell me. SSH is taken over as live. Retrieve directive, okay. Come on, man. Right, plugins. AMP. This is where we're going to try and find these JavaScript things. CSS fonts. There we go, JavaScript. Right, so now, if we then go and find these exact things here, and then we delete them. You know, this is total guesswork, to be honest with you, but like, so we're having a restore and it's been a new install. It don't really matter if it all dies and kills it, I can restore it. Right, so let's have a look what we've got there. Let's start with AMP Analytics. Tell you what, let's get a half a screen thing going on. We can look a bit better. Alright, so AMP Analytics must be near the top. Validation. What we got? Bind, form, lightbox. I might not even be in the right place, I mean. WP.js URL polyfill. AMP validation tooltips. So I mean, it's like it's not even there. AMP validator post edit screen. AMP block editor. So it seems none of them's even there, which is quite bizarre. So that's where I would have expected anything AMP related to Vim.js. What's in it? Just back up, so we're looking at AMP block editor, AMP block, AMP customize the default, AMP head browsing, AMP shortcut. So there's nothing about lightbox. What? Lightbox, form, bind. And searching one is not the best thing. This is why, like people at the AMP project, if anybody is eventually watching this, it'd be nice for you to answer Twitter and answer these sort of questions like, hey AMP, I'm using all this thing on my website, got a couple of questions there, buddy. What's this? No one answer. No one answer. Why? AMP lightbox, look, see that just makes loads of sense, that, doesn't it? Makes loads of sense. So we can see there, is there not blatantly in any of this? In any other ones? It's not with fonts or images, is it? It's JavaScript. JavaScript. Why wouldn't you be there? Unless this is all of it for the form. It's like, just delete it and see what happens. What do you reckon? Restore. I think we're going to have sudo chmod it to like just delete that folder. Delete the JavaScript folder. What do you reckon? Should we delete it and then see what happens to the website? It's late at night. I'm going to bed quite happy with the content, but I've just killed everything again. Right, let's see. Definitely not going to be able to delete it. So it's now plugins AMP. You think it's like major stuff. AMP plugin. I'm running AMP. My site's running AMP. You think all this would be like, well, important, wouldn't you? What's that off there? Plugins, right? Where's that going? Look, what about all this includes there? What's in it? Admin options, templates. Templates, that sounds good. Red browser, AMP content sanitize, AMP content PHP. Well, not as good as our hoping, to be fair. Right in here, right in here. See, it's all the same thing, but none of that says any of this, does it? So where are you? cdn.amp project. So maybe it's just loading it from there and not from the plugins. So wherever this is coming from, like I've tried that as a URL. Watch. Oh, let's see what happens there. Not a lot. That's far off for error. So that is just crap. As we can see, we couldn't find that anywhere better, so let's go have a look on GT Metrix and see. So you can just switch to look at JavaScript. You can also look in the console as well. Let's try this quickly. And 99.96. So retest, and then we'll have a look at the breakdown and see what's going on. Google Academy, F12, open up the dev tools, sources in it. Is this sources? Let's see. Bring this over a bit. Let's have a look. Right. This is what's new. Console. There's quite a lot going off there. Look, one error. WebSocket connection to public API WordPress. Ping Hub WP.com newest note data failed. Error during WebSocket handshake. Lovely jubbly. So there's a lot of things you'll look at, and it's just disheartening to say the least. Let's see what else we've got up here. Performance. Let's see that, and then top, stop. So as always, again, elements. Gotta be able to find it somewhere. I even have black. What's that spitting up? Anything? No. Lighthouse. Generate report. And just wait for it to do its thing. Lighthouse is warming up. We'll go back in GT Metrix and have a look at the JavaScript, which we can see all there. Look, cdn.amp project, and we've got a IP number. Load. So let's have a look. CPU 0, memory 99. Right, content security policy. HTTPS CDN. Viewer and save inline AMP project. RTV. See, I've just seen all these folders down in there as well. Typography. Fastfonts.net. Fonts Google API. Max CDN. Bootstrap. Font awesome. So maybe this is loading like fonts and everything, but I'm not even using them as like typekit, stuff like that. Fonts Google APIs. Let's minimize that one a minute. And then analytics. That's it, RTV and all that coming up again there. Port URL csp.withgoogle.com. What's that then? Let's see if this actually is a website or it's just something to do with our website, which then. So content security policy. So I don't think that's really anything to worry about. Protocol timeout also ran into an error. Brilliant. WebSocket connection to that. Newest notes data. Now, I remember turning this off when I had another plugin in. Which could be the problem then, it's just stuck in its memory. Pause me while I look at something else. When we run the same test in incognito, it should probably do, because then you haven't got all of this bump of your own being loaded in the browser. We can see that all of these problems here are not there now. You know, we've got load 183, finish 8.7 seconds, but that's totally wrong. 2 out of 35 requests, so it cuts a lot of the stuff down. AMP just delivering bare necessities. Could not load content for this www.js map. You see now, we've seen that here, I believe. Where do we see that JS map issue? Is it on here? JS. It's definitely on here, that little map thing in it somewhere. Look, the JS. That's going to be it, I bet. That's what a lot of this means is just boring crap. Probably not what I mean now, anyway. I'm just waffling onto YouTube, but 1.87 seconds there. When you look there, it's like 8.17, 8.10, whatever. What do you trust? Let's have a look why that does that. Right, let's finish at 2.54. Right, well, I was trying to jump in to make this longer. Got 8.49, something jumps in here. It's just not showing us what. Let's look at the JS again. See, look, this is annoying. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits of AMP loader. You may have seen that in here, mine were AMP loader. Or maybe not. That's index.js, but I'm not gonna. Come on, AMP, get back at me. You're getting on my nerves now, you won't answer things, mate. To be honest with you, finding this is like finding a needle in a bleeding haystack. So for now, as you can see, going and trying to find sometimes a solution, unless you speak like absolute nerdville, all this, like, oh yes, well what this actually means, Nicky, is that, well, no one actually knows, not even AMP, and that's why I won't answer you, because I can't answer their own questions on their own software. Like, happy days. As always, any questions, comments, or if you know how to do this, if you can look at this and tell me, that'd be absolutely amazing. Stay safe. Regards from Ramsgate, United Kingdom. Adios, amigos.